I'm so proud of our community's resilience for hanging in there and having trust in us and having some patience, much patience actually, to endure. We will go through this right alongside them. We're not going to abandon them in their greatest time of need. And I want them to know that we are doing everything possible that we can think of through our partners and through our own resources that we can bring to the table, that our plan is to be with them until they no longer need us.
As we pass the 1-year mark and move deep into the recovery phase, I want everyone who chooses to still live in West Maui to do it. So I'm accelerating all the recovery. A lot of times it takes, maybe even a decade to rebuild, and that's too long for a lot of our kupuna, the elderly individuals in Maui. So I'm very, very optimistic that we are ahead of schedule. It's hard because everyone has different needs, but the housing will be rebuilt, and FEMA has been very supportive. So I'm looking forward to seeing what things look like at 2 and 3 years. But for now, we got people's lives stabilized or back on track, and now a lot of the very hopeful developments will be visible.
Well, long-term recovery is always a priority of FEMA's. We want to work with the community to ensure that we support them in their vision for long-term recovery. A lot of our programs are focused on not only building back, but building back stronger, more resilient, and better. We've started off by having community-led meetings to hear their issues and to incorporate their ideas as they know best their community into what that vision needs to be for the long-term future. FEMA's commitment to serve and learn from the people of Maui has only grown with time. We are preparing to open a FEMA office strictly focused on Maui's long-term recovery for the coming years. Knowing there is still much to do, learn, and heal from, the people of Maui will lead the Lahaina's recovery effort, and we will continue to support them for as long as it takes.
Lahaina i ka malu ulu olele is a beautiful olelo no'eau about these ulu trees and their groves and how they nurture really verdant regrowth, and how it ties in so well with the imaginings of Lahaina being green once more. I think that moving forward is about imagining something new, but taking the best of what was here before the fires with us. And I'm grateful that FEMA and state and local partners and the community have made space for that in their support of an effort to rebuild Lahaina, to heal Lahaina. And so mahalo for that.